Salman Khan career filmography 1988 to 1993, debut, breakthrough and setback. Salman Khan made his on-screen debut in 1988 with a supporting role in the successful film Biwi Ho To Aisi, which had Rekha in the lead role. The following year, he played the main lead in Suraj Barjatia's romantic musical Maine Pyar Kiya opposite Bhagyashree. The film, backed up with chartbuster music, went on to become an all-time blockbuster at the box office and made Salman Khan a star. It also won him the Filmfare Award for Best Male Debut. He began the new decade with Deepak Shivdasani's action drama film Baghi, A Rebel for Love, 1990, which he also wrote. Baghi opened to positive critical reception and was a box office hit. Salman Khan's dream run continued in 1991 with two of his films, Sanam Bawafa and Sajan, emerging blockbusters and their soundtracks proving to be two of the best-selling Hindi film albums of that year. His other releases of the year, Qurban and Patthar Ke Phool, also performed well commercially and proved to be major commercial successes. Salman Khan followed it with a downturn as all of his films for the next 2 years, including Biggie's Jagriti, 1992, and Chandramukhi, 1993, were critical and commercial failures. 1994 to 1999, established actor in 1994, Salman Khan appeared in Rajkumar Santoshi's Andaz Apna Apna, co-starring Aamir Khan. At the time of its release, the film failed at the box office but has gained cult status over the years. Later in the year, he collaborated with director Suraj Barjatia in the romance Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, co-starring Madhuri Dixit. During the 1995 awards season, the film won 3 Filmfare Awards for Best Film, Best Director and Best Actress. It also won the National Award for being the most popular film of the year. Earning more than 2 billion rupees, $63.8 million, worldwide, the film became the biggest Bollywood hit of the year and the highest-grossing Indian film up until then. It is one of the films on Box Office India's list of biggest blockbusters ever in Hindi cinema. In 2006, it was still the 4th highest-grossing Bollywood film ever, according to Box Office India. In 1995, he starred in Rakesh Roshan's Karan Arjun alongside Shah Rukh Khan. The two played brothers who are reincarnated after being killed by family enemies. His role as Karan earned him a nomination for the 1995 Filmfare Best Actor Award. In 1996, Salman Khan performed in Sanjay Leela Bhansali's directional debut Khamoshi, the musical. He also appeared in Raj Kanwar's action hit Jeet. He had 2 releases in 1997, Judwa and Auza. The former was a comedy directed by David Dhawan where he played a dual role of twins separated at birth. Salman Khan worked in 5 different films in 1998, his first release being the romantic comedy film Pyar Kiya To Darna Kya opposite Kajol, one of the biggest commercial successes of that year. This was followed by the moderately successful drama Jab Pyar Kisi Se Hota Hai, where Salman Khan played a young man who has to take a child who claims to be his son, under his custody. Khan's performance in the film earned favorable critical review. He also had an extended cameo in Karan Johar's directorial debut, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, which earned him critical acclaim and a second Filmfare Award under the Best Supporting Actor category. In 1999, Khan starred in 3 films, Hum Saath Saath Hain, Biwi No. 1, and Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam alongside Aishwarya Rai and Ajay Devgan, which earned him another Best Actor nomination at the Filmfare Awards. His performance in the film was reviewed favorably, with Sharmila Telecom of Red Earth noting, Salman is endearing. He does tend to ham in the dramatic scenes, but looks very comfortable doing comedy and those romantic scenes. 2000 to 2009, sporadic success. In 2001, Khan appeared in Chori Chori Chupke Chupke, which addressed the issue of surrogate childbirth. In it, Khan played the role of a rich industrialist who hires a surrogate mother after his wife becomes infertile. Sukanya Verma of Reddit wrote that the film had an absurd storyline, but also spontaneous performances from the cast, helping to minimize its other flaws. In 2002, he starred in Hum Tumhare Hain Sanam, For Tere Naam, 2003. Taran Adarsh said of him, Salman Khan is exceptional in a role that fits him to the T. He breathes fire in sequences that demand uneasiness. But beneath the tough exterior lies a vulnerable person, and this facet in particular comes to the fore in the latter reels. His emotional outbursts are splendid. Director Satish Kaushik considered Khan's work in the film to be strong, saying of it, "Salman has given a great performance in the film. He's given an intense, unconventional performance. I believe this is the best performance of Salman's career so far." His career progressed with comedies like Mujhse Shaadi Karogi, 2004, and No Entry, 2005. Khan, right, with Saif Ali Khan at an event for World AIDS Day in 2007. Khan started 2007 with the ensemble film Salaam-e-Ishq. He appeared in the Hollywood movie, Marigold opposite American actress Ali Latta. The film told the love story of an Indian man and an American woman. Khan hosted the second season of the game show Ten Ka Dum during 2009. According to a 2008 report from Biz Asia UK, the show earned enough target rating points, TRPs, for Sony Entertainment Television to regain its third position in the Indian television ratings. He appeared in Wanted, a remake of 2006 Telugu super-hit film Pokiri, directed by choreographer-turned-director Prabhu Deva. The film received mixed reviews. Taran Adarsh from Bollywood Hungama rated it 4 of 5 stars, noting, "Wanted rides on Salman Khan's star power. He may not be the best actor in town, but in a film like Wanted, in a role that seems like an extension of his personality, you can't think of anyone else enacting this role with flourish." Raja Sen from Rediff gave a rating of 2/5 and said, "The writing is both amateurish and crass, while the songs are plain hideous." Salman Khan might be having fun, but the fact a film like Wanted underscores is how badly Bollywood needs a breed of younger leading men. And how the existing lot needs roles that fit. He appeared in 2 other films that year, Main Aur Mrs. Khanna and London Dreams. 2010 to 2017, Superstardom. Khan's first release of 2010 was Anil Sharma's film Veer. In his second release of 2010, Dabangg, Khan played the role of a fearless cop with comic effect in the film. The film was noted by the Economic Times as being remarkable for its commercial success, despite having an accent on inanity, and complete incoherence in terms of plot and credibility. The Times also noted industry experts attributed the popularity of the film to Khan's presence, stating that they ascribe its allure to the star charisma of Salman Khan, who has managed to carry off the over-the-top articulation of Chulbul Pandey with unbridled enthusiasm and zeal. Dabangg won several awards, including the National Film Award for Best Popular Film, providing wholesome entertainment. It was later remade in Tamil and Telugu. The film was produced by his brother Arbaz Khan. It was reported by the Hindustan Times that the film opened to full houses across the country. Salman Khan received a Star Screen Award for Best Actor and a Stardust Award for Star of the Year, Male for his performance. He was also nominated for his 6th Filmfare Award for Best Actor. Anupama Chopra from NDTV wrote about his performance, "It's the role of a lifetime and Salman Khan bites into it like a starving man devours a feast. He inhabits it fully, strutting and swaggering and even spoofing himself." Salman Khan's first release of 2011 was Ready, a remake of the 2008 Telugu film of the same name. Ready held a record for being the second highest grossing Bollywood film of 2011. He next appeared in Bodyguard, a remake of the 2010 Malayalam film of the same name. The film was not well received by critics, though it became India's highest earning film of the year. Salman Khan's first release of 2012 was Ek Tha Tiger, where he starred opposite Katrina Kaif and acted as an Indian spy. The film garnered positive reactions from critics while opening extremely strong box office collections. The film marks his first association with Yash Raj Films. Salman Khan starred in Dabangg 2, the sequel of Dabangg, in 2012 under the production of Arbaz Khan. Dabangg 2 eventually emerged as a huge financial success with revenues of 2.5 billion rupees, $46.78 million, globally. After a one-year gap, Khan's first release of 2014 was Jai Ho, an official remake of the 2006 Telugu film Stalin, which he starred in opposite Desi Shah. His second release, Kick, a remake of a Telugu film, has entered the 2 billion rupees club in India on Eid. He also sang the Hangover song from the movie, Khan's first film of 2015, Bajrangi Bhaijaan, which was released on Eid, received acclaim from critics and the public and broke several box office records upon release. The film, grossing 1.84 billion rupees, $28.68 million, in its first week beat the previous record of PK. This was Khan's first and the second Bollywood film after PK to enter the 300 club. The film became the second highest grossing Bollywood film in India and worldwide at that time, with a collection of over 6 billion. Bajrangi Bhaijaan crossed 300 crore within 20 days of its release and became the second highest grosser to date in India, while his second film, Prem Ratan Dhan Payo, a Diwali release, received mixed reviews from critics and the public and broke several box office records upon release. The film became the 9th consecutive film of Salman Khan to gross over 1 billion. The film grossed 1.73 billion rupees, $27 million, in its first week. By the 25th of November, the film collected 2.01 billion rupees. With this, Salman Khan became the only actor to give 3 back-to-back movies which collected more than 2 billion rupees, $31.18 million, net domestically. He became the only actor to collect over 5 billion rupees, $77.94 million, domestic net in a single year in India. Salman Khan's first film of 2016, yet again another Eid release, Sultan, directed by Ali Abbas Zafar for Yash Raj Films, received positive reviews from both critics and the public, breaking several box office records. The film opened on an average of 70% audience occupancy and grossed approximately 365 million rupees, $5.43 million United States dollars, on its opening day. The film also collected another 74 rupees .86, $1.11, on its first weekend, bringing its total first week collections to an approximate of 2.08 billion rupees, $30.95 million. By the end of its second week, the film had grossed an estimated 2.78 billion rupees, $41.37 million, and later became the second film of Khan to net over 300 crores. As of the 9th of August, the film grossed 5.83 billion rupees, $86.76 million, worldwide. In June 2017, Khan appeared in Tube Light, his third collaboration with Kabir Khan after Ek Tha Tiger and Bajrangi Bhaijaan. This film also starred Khan's real-life brother Sohail Khan. Despite its high expectations, the film failed to do well at the box office. Khan's second release of 2017, Tiger Zinda Hai, a sequel to Ek Tha Tiger, grossed 190 crore rupees worldwide in its opening weekend. As of the 23rd of January 2018, the film has grossed 5.52 billion rupees, $84.76 million, worldwide, including 4.28 billion rupees, $65.72 million, in India and 1.23 billion rupees, $18.89 million, overseas. 2018 present. Career fluctuations. In 2018, Khan played the leading role in his only release of the year, Race 3, an action film. The film had an ensemble cast including Anil Kapoor, Bobby Deol, Jacqueline Fernandez and others. The film was critically panned for its storyline, weak performances and climax. Box Office India declared it an average grosser. Khan starred in Bharat, that was released on the 5th of June 2019, and Dabangg 3, that was released on the 20th of December 2019. Bharat was a moderate hit, whereas Dabangg 3 flopped commercially. Meanwhile, Kick 2, which was scheduled to release around Christmas 2019, had been delayed. He starred in Radhe, which was released on the 13th of May 2021 to negative reviews. His next film, Antim, The Final Truth, where he played the second lead, received mixed reviews from critics, but the performance of Khan was well appreciated. The film turned out to be a box office flop. He next did a cameo in Pathaan, reprising his eponymous role as Tiger.